Hey y'all, my boys aren't gonna let me give up on this YouTube thing. So, oh, it's windy. So I'm going to come to a park and show y'all around. And if you see or hear a pop, it's because my phone fell out of the selfie stick. Look at the ducks. Should have brought y'all some bread. I'll bring you some bread next time. Hi. Don't eat my phone. Really? Really? I feel the same way. Look at the fountain. I hope I don't step in some duck poo. And I have to be careful. I can't freaking swim. And I can't drop my phone in the water. Put this thing on. Yeah. So serene. There's my son that way, and I have a son that way. Please don't chase me. I have nightmares of a turkey at Aunt Hazel's years ago. Aww. ¿Qué quieres decir esta? Hey, baby. But at least I'm out of the house, right? That's always a good thing. No tags. Women, actually. But anyway, still not feeling so good, but it'll be okay. But I just wanted to get out of the apartment for a while, and I don't do that very often. So, ta-da! If you hear any jingling, that's my keys. Keep them on my hip. Okay, don't need to bust my butt. We got a little playground over here. I remember bringing the kids out here when they were little. I don't know how y'all, like Jordan, days with Jordan, he walks around with a selfie stick, or Gabriel, the international traveler. Don't y'all worry about people looking at y'all? I don't care, but I'm not a shy person. I have no friends. I gotta make them somehow. I have no friends. I gotta make them somehow. Have a blessed day.
Good luck with that.
Thank you.
Be careful with the friends you make on there, though.
I know, especially since it's YouTube.
Right?
A man. Little workout area. I can keep moving. Look at those pretty trees. They got a gazebo way over there. Youth is wasted on the young. Oh, this is new. Oh. My favorite trees are the ones like my grandparents used to have. What's it called? Spanish moss. Spanish moss. Granny and Papa used to have them in their trees. Okay. In memory of Lion Daniel Vanderbrink, 12-year member of Pasadena Lions Club. Live oak trees in memory of Lion Charles E. Nuna, 1913-1991, 43-year member. 43-year member. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I'm not used to this. But y'all rest in peace. I know you're not buried here. This is just in memorial. And they got this new bench from the Lions Club. Honor and Joe Lardagu for his service Pasadena Lions Club. It's pretty. See, I need to get out more often. I meet people. Who would have thunk? I don't like the way I look when the camera's sideways. Breathe, Terry, breathe. Hey, I hear y'all up there. What you doing? Just don't crap on me. Please don't. See, I swore I heard Mom, but then I'm not the only one with a name. Mom. Oh, the breeze feels so good out here. Oh, I lost that truck. Where's my purse today? They got a playground out here. Wow, it feels good to get out of my box. It's really nice. Still not sure about this YouTube thing. What do y'all think? Where am I looking? I don't know where my youngest went. They got more energy than me. Little dock right there. Hope that kid don't fall in. I seen a man a while ago when we were pulling in that's probably 70s or 80s jogging or something, and I'm thinking, Terry, you're pathetic. See, my imaginary boyfriend's right here holding my hand. He's holding my hand. I hear thunder. Beautiful park. Always has been. I wonder if I brought lemonade and marshmallow. I know they're cats, but they've got a lot of Siamese in them. If I could put a harness on them and walk them, why not? Am I going to get brave and walk across this bridge, which has been underwater before when the water rises? I don't know if this phone is waterproof. I don't think so. My anxiety, I can't walk too far. Please don't leave my phone in the water. That would totally suck. I'd have to drown trying to find my phone where I can post my YouTube video. Hey. You stop pecking on her. phone. I paid $3 for this selfie stick. I'm holding it. Oh, it's bubbling right there. I wonder what that is. Fish. You don't think there's sharks here, do you? Alligators. Oh, that would totally suck. But what a YouTube video, right? Hey, that's my son, way over there in the black shorts and top. That's Cameron, over there close to that hill. Something just jumped in the water. See, sometimes because of my anxiety, I can't walk too far. So I'm doing this for y'all. See, these videos are good for me. Wow, I'm outside. Uh-oh. This bridge might not be able to hold me. Definitely need to fix that. Especially if somebody's walking here at night. Okay. Is there a weight limit? Hi! Is your name Donald or Robert? Robert was a character from my first book. What's this thing go? From Sunset County. And he was actually a duck here at the park. And he had an S-shaped neck. He was perfectly healthy. But that's where I got the character Robert from. Can y'all see me? Yeah, there's Cameron right over there. Well, maybe across the bridge. Going far from the truck. I don't know where my other friend is. They're over there doing some kind of construction. Those fountains are pretty. Okay, where'd my kid go? Clouds are pretty. I like to look at clouds. I'm like my character Ed. That's why I put it in my book, Ed on My Shoulder, which is my children's book series. Here comes Dr. Evil. No, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. He looks like the character from Saw. My oldest son, he shaved his head. Got to get some used to it, but he's looking good. Is anybody behind me? I'm being stalked. I took a selfie stick over my shoulder. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. Wave! You know what really sucks? I forgot to push record. Anyway, I walked this far. I can't believe I walked this far. And a man actually talked to me.
That's good.
I know, right? Don't let me fall. I can't swim. Hi. I don't know where your brother disappeared to. This thing too long because yesterday on when I was talking about the OBEs, it was an 18-minute video and it took, no lie, 6 or 7 hours to upload. The third time was the charm. It finally went through. So getting some much needed exercise. I'm being stalked by Saul. What's the name of that show y'all liked? Saul, not the evil thing. S-A-U-L, the character Saul.
Brandon likes it.
What's the name? Yeah, Breaking Bad. That's it. Look, he's following me. Back on the bridge. They need to fix that. Somebody's going to miss that and fall right into the... This is fun. If God provides a way where I can go to different places and do different things, I would love to do YouTube videos like this. Because I know y'all get bored looking at me in the my living room. Hey, I walked out on faith one time. I know for a fact that was in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm getting short-winded. I'm sort of out of shape. Sort of right. Pretty day. Supposed to get some rain today. Some of the band's coming in from Hurricane Barry out of Los Angeles, Louisiana. Anyway, people, thank y'all for being part of my life. Please subscribe and share my videos. Help me get this thing off the ground. Most of all, I need your prayers. At least the stalker backed off. I attract weirdos. Just my kid. I'm joking. Cameron, I'm joking. I got good kids. Well, anyway, I got to turn this other one off where my youngest son can appear. God bless y'all. Can y'all see me? Keep on keeping on. And talk to y'all soon.